Right. Once again, welcome back, folks. This time around, we are just going through 10 similar problems again to the previous ones that we saw when we were introducing approximation. So, because we've got the concepts in mind, let's see how best we can use them to solve these problems. The first problem, we are required to do an estimation of 67 plus 34. But as we can see, 67 is closer to 70, and 34 is closer to 30. When we sum the two, it gives us 100. So I think it's a closer guess. The next one there, we are interested in estimating 589 minus 201. But as you can see, to nearest 100 there, looks like this will take us to 600. And minus 201 is closer to 200. So our guess will be somewhere around 400. Then moving on, we have got 18 times 5. But because we are estimating 18 is closer to 20, then 5, I think is still okay. So 20 multiplied by 5, I think this will give us 100. I think it's a nice guess. Moving on, we have got 403 divided by 9. Because we are estimating, I think 403 is closer to 400 divided by, if we try and maintain 9 might give us challenges because we have decimal places there. So it's wise for us to say 9 is closer to 10. Remember what we did when we are dividing by multiples of 10, we simply look for corresponding zeros from the right. So our final result will be 40. Then moving to the fifth problem, we have got 420 as a solution, and we are being questioned that is it a reasonable answer for 41 times 9? Let's try and see through estimation what we'll get there. With 41, I think it's closer to 40 there. And 9, I think it's closer to 10. So when we find the product, it looks like it will take us to 400. So when we compare 400 and 420, it looks like the gap is wide. Let's try and inspect the actual value to say what would we get. So that would be 9 times 1, it gives us 9. And 9 times 4, it gives us 369. That's the exact value. But comparing 400 and 420, it looks like 420 is further away from the actual value that we're looking for. Then moving to multiplication or division. So like we did, 7 times 10, we just take the first value, which is 7. We postfix with a 0, it gives us 70. Same applies here, we are multiplying. We take the first one, 56, we postfix with 10, it gives us 560. Then when it comes to division, last time we were doing it in column form, that will be having 120 over 10. Why do we do this? We want to align corresponding zeros like these two. They cancel, then we remain with a 12. We use the same approach to the next problem where we have 900 divided by 10. Again, we can see that these are the matching zeros, they cancel, and our final result will be 90. Try and have a look at the last problem. Estimate and then calculate. Well, if we are calculating 64 divided by 10, the rule says when we are dividing by multiples of 10, what we'll do is we assume the comma is always at the front if there's nothing in front of the 4. Then when we divide, it's like we move our comma corresponding to the number of zeros. So there's 1 0, so it means our comma must move from here 1 step to the left. So it means when I'm dividing 64 by 10, my result is actually 6,4. But let's check if we are estimating. If we are estimating, looking at 64 again, it's closer to 60, then divided by 10. I think we'll do the approach that we did last time, where corresponding zeros from the right, they cancel. So through estimation, we get a 6, but the exact value is 6.4. So it means our guess is actually meaningful or reasonable. So that's it under estimation for Form 1 CIE Mathematics. I hope you found it interesting. Just check out for next videos to come. We'll try and walk through the syllabus together. Thank you.